He's here.
Cyrano?
Cyrano.
Pleasure to meet you, Cyrano de Bergerac.
You're a freak. Freak.
My dearest friend, I'd be very angry with you if you died.
I need something to die for, write poems and cry for, and I won't be ashamed.
My sole purpose on this earth is to love Roxanne.
Does she know?
The world will never accept someone like me and a tall, beautiful woman.
We have no money. A clever marriage is your only option.
I won't be rescued. I'm not in distress. Love, does that mean nothing to you?
Children need love. Adults need money.
I have a confession to make.
To me,
I am madly in love,
perhaps he feels the same.
but I've never actually spoken to him
Of your love?
of anything. He is Christian. Christian Nuvelet. He's a new recruit in your regiment. Be his friend.
I might not like him.
A woman like Roxanne wants wit. I don't know how to speak romantically.
I am a poet. My words upon your lips. I will make you romantic, while you make me handsome.
She loves me! I give everything for someone to say. All the words I don't have and I can put together.
My love for you is so powerful.
My love for you is so powerful.
It has the strength of Hercules.
It has the strength of
Hercules.
Hercules. Got anything better?
Speak to me like you do in your letters.
You are a beautiful flower.
I am not a flower.
I need more.
You're in love with her.
My fate is to love her from afar.
We must let her decide our fate. She must have the choice.